which are needed for this process. So without further ado, let's get started. So at first, what you need to do, you just need to get into Play Store, and over here you need to search for this application which is called Limbo. And this is a PC emulator application, Limbo, and it is available on Play Store now, and from here you can download the application. So once you download the application from here, you need to get into the description. There I provided the operating system image file, and for the sake of this video I had quickly downloaded Windows XP, as because the Windows 10 ISO file is around 1.5 gigabytes of size. So for showing you guys the process quickly, I had downloaded Windows XP, and I will even provide you the link of the Windows XP image file which I had downloaded. So just get into the description and download the image file. So once you install this application, you need to get into the file explorer first. So for me, I'm using the default file explorer, but you can use ES file explorer or whichever you want. So just get into the storage section, and on the internal storage I'll just decrease the brightness so that you can see it properly. So here you can see we are in the file explorer, and this is the internal storage of this device, and down here we'll get a folder over here, Limbo. So you just need to get into the folder, and over here you need to paste the Windows operating system image file. So down here you can see I pasted xp.img. so this is the image file which is around 369 megabytes. So I had downloaded this and I had pasted the file on the Limbo folder which is there on the internal storage of your device. So at first you won't get this folder Limbo on your internal storage. So for that you need to run the application Limbo first on your device, and after that you'll get the folder. So once you get the folder, just copy and paste the image file of the operating system on this folder itself. Don't need to get into any of the folder inside Limbo folder, just keep it inside the Limbo folder. So once you copy and paste the image file over here, you need to get into the Limbo application now. So once you are in Limbo application over here, you'll get load machine option, and you'll get user interface, and there are a bunch of options over here to select. I'll quickly show you the options and what are the usage for this. So now I'll select load machine over here. So just tap on new, and over here you need to enter the machine name. So just enter the machine name as XP or whatever name you want. So for me it's XP, and now on the user interface you'll get VNC, make it SDL. So just go through the steps which I'm showing you in this video, as because if you don't go through the steps properly, then your operating system may not run or may run incorrectly. So I had selected SDL on the user interface. On the architecture I had selected x86, so you need to select x86 over here. Don't select x64. It shows that it supports x64, but by using x64 you might face some problem. So I had set this on x86, but if you want to test, then you can make it x64. CPU model QEMU 32, make sure you select this one, and on the CPU cores make sure you select as 1. This one is very important. If you select it 2, then the image file may not run on your device. So for the time being I had selected 1, and on RAM I'll select 512 megabytes of RAM. So I had selected 512 megabytes of RAM over here. On hard disk A I will select hard disk A, and over here you'll get none. Just tap on this one and select open over here. So once you select open, you'll get the option to select the image file. It's in my internal storage. There is a folder called Limbo. So I'll get into the folder quickly, and there you'll get the image file which we had copied and pasted. So just tap on the image file name, hit OK, go down, and over here you'll get VGA display. Make sure you select this as STD, and after that you don't need to select anything over here on sound card, network card, anything. You don't need to select anything over here. Boot from device will be default. You don't need to touch anything over here even. And down here you need to select full screen, and also on the orientation you need to select as landscape. So after this you are done with the settings. So now we are ready to play Windows XP on our Android phone. So now tap on play. So there you can see, and guys, over here based on your mobile phone's performance, it may take 3 to 4 minutes. Maximum it will take around 5 minutes to completely load any Windows operating system on this application. And guys, there you can see it works really great, and we are in Windows XP. From here we can use Windows XP. It shows the new hardware found, so from here we can install the hardware, but for the timing I'll cancel it. And there you can see we are in Windows XP, and you can customize your Windows XP or any other Windows operating system the way you want. So guys, that was the way on how you can install any Windows operating system on your Android phone, and this works really great. So with the help of this application Limbo, you can install any Windows operating system right from your Android phone. So that's pretty much it, and that's all for this video. And